All right, here's something that I got at a thrift store a long time ago. It's just a little drawer. And let's see. I paid, can't see it. Well, I paid $1 for it. Anyways, I'm going to fix it now. I don't particularly care for the high back on it. So I think, yeah, I'm going to take it apart and I'm going to cut it down flush. And I don't like the knob on it, so I'm going to find something else for that. So I'm going to take it apart, cut it down, take this off, and start painting it. And I'll be back. Have one coat on it. I'm going to wait for it to dry and I'll give it another coat. Alright, I finished the drawer. I found this knob that we had taken off something. I always save stuff like that, put it back in case I want to use it. And I just put some white on it and then distressed it a little bit and then finished distressing the drawer. I didn't do a whole lot, but some. And put the greenery in it, and I love the way it turned out. I really do. And I just put it here on the baker's rack. So, I hope y'all enjoyed the video and give you maybe some ideas of what to do. So, until the next one, we'll see you later.